Music has always been a really big part of my family. Watching my brothers in bands and stuff just in the garage, and my brother right above me was a turntablist and did like drum and bass. He started when he was 10, like he was like a little Atlanta prodigy. John passed away recently, but he was like hugely impactful into what I am today, for sure. Like he put my hands on the turntables at 5, and I always wanted to be like him. And then eventually I moved out here. It's a sweet story. I had a boyfriend at the time. He was like, I have a surprise for tomorrow, so don't plan anything. And so he's driving me down into Burbank, and I didn't know where the campus was, and I didn't recognize anything. And we show up to the school, and I'm like, we're at Icon. This is cool. What are we doing here? And he's like, I signed you up for like the tour. And honestly, like that's what got me here. And a lot of excitement to want to go here all these years, and then just when you want something bad enough, you make it happen.
Lately, I've been going numb.
When performing to engage the audience, it took me a while to figure out that I had to deepen my voice when speaking on the mic. I went from being like, what's up, my name's Leah Culver, and like that doesn't carry frequency-wise as well as, what's up, you guys, my name's Leah Culver. Like that was a tip that actually made a difference. I've come a really long way from shaky hands at sets to like being in front and it feels like nothing. I try to write a song every day. That's something they suggested at Icon, and that is something that I took from that. And then singing-wise, I think there's like an actual part of your soul in that. Like it's your vibration. Even your speaking voice, how we all have different speaking voices, and everything's vibration. So singing your truth to other humans just listening to it, I think that's just actual magic, you know? Right now, I've been writing some of my favorite music I've ever written. And I don't know if that's because I just stopped listening to what people told me to do and I'm just doing what I want to do, or if it's just like, you know, writing and doing this for a long time, I'm getting better and I feel like this is the best music. I'd say if you're someone who's looking to take a leap into a creative career, it's probably because you've always wanted that, and you should do it with everything in you. You should throw yourself into it. I think the scary part about it, there's a lot of people that are going to tell you don't. That's not secure, or you're going to be a starving artist. But I think a true artist is willing to starve. There's the most growth behind fear. I feel like I've had to face so many fears that I'm like not even the same person I was when I went to this school, and I'm grateful for that. I think for anyone who is scared to get up there and perform, it's probably what you're supposed to do. Do the stuff that scares you with shaky knees, and eventually your knees won't shake.